Hello friends, welcome to my channel Experience One. Today we are going to go for the unboxing of one of the best dash cams we have in India right now. And after a lot of research, I came across this brand, VIOFO. It comes in a neatly packed box like this, and this model is known as 8229 Ultra. Both are 4K dual dash cams, and it has STARVIS 2 sensor in both the front and the rear. Okay, so we will start by taking things off. This is the one. It is priced at 37,999. Yes, these are the features which it has. So we'll go and open and see what is there in the box. Let me just open it up. You need to slide it out. There we go. So this is a quick start guide. After this we have the sales service warranty card maybe. Here we have the camera. And I think this is the rear camera. Along with this we have the user manual. These are the layers to be put for the dash cam, along with the double-sided 3M stickers. Below this we have the wires and the cables. This is a USB-C to USB-A cable. This one is the car charger, which can be wired and put in for giving the power supply to dash cam. I think this is a protective filter which they have given. This is for tucking in the wire on the sides. And this is the main power cable which attaches to the camera from the charger. The build quality is very nice. We'll open the dash cam. Here we go. Here is the dash cam. It has a good weight to it. There is the SD card slot, micro SD. This is the front camera. The other side we have the power connection. So this shows power, record, GPS, mic and Wi-Fi. These are the lights which are present here. Let's see the rear camera. This one will be attached in the rear. This is the AV out port for this, which will connect to the front camera. So that's all about the unboxing. I hope you liked it. Please go and try this product. It's very great. If you want any reference, you can always DM me on my channel and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.